Before making money, freedom is the most important. So let's work on that. Business owners who want to be free, grow, expand, make money, for me at least, freedom is more important than money a million times. If you're a small business owner and you want to get a little bit more freedom and you start doing the small tasks, hire a VA, have somebody work on small tasks that you don't like doing. Start by that. Just a little start. Trust people. I know a lot of people who say, well, I cannot trust people to do this work because I do it better than anybody else and blah, blah, blah. You either do it and then you get stuck there forever, or you delegate to somebody else and you grow. So which one you want? You have to make up your mind there. You need to trust people. There is no way to trust it 100%, of course, unless you just want to stay there and make your money and you like what you do. I know business owners, they have a restaurant and they work in the kitchen. They love doing it. They don't want to have another restaurant. They don't want to grow. They don't want new locations. They want to be working there. They are very happy. If you are a different person who would like to expand and you want to have more freedom in your life, that you have to do something different. You have to delegate. That's the only way. You need to hire people. You need to trust them. You need to delegate.